Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Pacific Chemistry Classes. Students, today's topic is our berberine. It's a very important natural product. It is an organic compound which is classified as a benzene isoquinoline alkaloid. So as we know that in this structure there is isoquinoline ring. So that's why we can say that it belongs to the category of isoquinoline alkaloid. And the molecular formula of this compound is C20H18 and O4 plus. As we can see that the nitrogen जो रहेगा यहाँ पे as a quaternary ammonia कंपाउंड है ये, और इट इज अ येलो कलर्ड एल्कलॉइड. एज वी नो दैट एल्कलॉइड्स का इंपॉर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टीज क्या होती हैं, लाइक दे विल हैव द नाइट्रोजन तो रहेगा, बेसिक नेचर रहेगा, एंड दे विल हैव सम एंटी बैक्टीरियल, एंटी माइक्रोबियल एंड एज वेल एज द एंटी इन्फ्लामेटरी प्रॉपर्टीज. सो दे हैव अ लॉट ऑफ importance in the Ayurvedic medicines, as well as so many like they are used for the drugs to solve many problems to improve the our liver health, heart health. Let us discuss in the details. So we can say that जो berberine हमारा होता है, so you can draw the structure and you can practice it. Okay, so just you can see it is derived from the plant that is our Berberis aristata, and it is also called as a Daru Haridra, or we can say Daru Haldi, and from or the tree turmeric. In India इसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, दारू हरिद्रा. आपने अगर सुना होगा, commonly it comes in the yellow color packing from the market, and it is used extensively in the Ayurveda for its medicinal properties, also known as barberry. And the main uses of this is our for the skin infection. It reduces the weight, it improves the liver health, it also improves the heart health, and aids in the digestion. It also manages the diabetes. So what are the main uses? कौन कौन सी डिसीजेस में हेल्प करता है? हमारा स्किन इन्फेक्शन को ट्रीट करेगा, वेट को रिड्यूस करेगा, हार्ट हेल्थ को इम्प्रूव करेगा, लीवर हेल्थ को इम्प्रूव करेगा, डाइजेशन को इम्प्रूव करेगा, हेल्प करेगा, मैनेज करेगा डायबिटीज को. अच्छा, मेन सोर्स क्या है हमारे इसके? जो हमारा रूट्स है और स्टेम्स होते हैं इस प्लांट्स के, दे आर मोस्टली यूज्ड to like extract it, and just it's mostly found in the Himalayan region. So just modern researches on going on suggest that this compounds activates an enzyme that is called as AMPK, and this AMP activate the protein kinase which act as a master switch for the metabolism. So if you are taking this compound, it is very helpful to boost your body metabolism. So berberine, again, it is an isoquinoline alkaloids, and it is having so many like it is helpful for treating so many diseases, and it has its importance in our Ayurvedic medicine. So I hope this much is sufficient. If they are asking you in the 5 marks, just you have to practice the structure and learn the molecular formula. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe the channel.